Hi, in front of me is Motorola Moto G30, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions on this device. Start by going into settings and choosing apps and notifications. Over here, go into advanced, click on permission manager and select one of the options, for example location. Now pick an app. I will go with Facebook, so I have to click on it and select one of the options. Allow all the time, allow only while using the app, ask every time, or deny. I will go with allow all the time, so now when I go back, I can see that Facebook gained access to my device location. But if you want to manage all permissions that your app has, you can always click on the chosen app, select see all Facebook permissions, and manage them from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!